Hey, so let's make some color noises in Harmor like this. So let's open up Harmor, and over here we have a saw. This is the default patch, and to make that noisy kind of thing, you have to go to the filter one section over here. Now, if you select over here, you will see a lot of options, classic keyboard on and many things, but we have to select this noise. So after selecting that, there's nothing has changed, see, but when I turn up the resonance you will hear the difference. It makes those watery sounds like, yeah. And if I turn up the width, you will see it creates that glitchy sound. So yeah, that is sick. So we can automate this and the width knob also. And down over here near filter 2 section, you'll see one another filter, and if you select over here you will again see all these options, and we also have noise over here. And now if I turn the resonance over here also, this is the resonance knob and the width knob. If I pull this up, you'll hear you'll start to hear that. Wait, yeah, over here. So yeah, we are getting that glitchy bassy sound, yeah. And yeah, we can modulate this also, and the width over here. we, so there are all the automations that we mm, created, and now let's make a MIDI note, like, yeah, 4 bars, and we have something like this right now. Oh no, sorry. Yeah, over here. So now let's make some automations. It's so watery, I like it. And one more. It sounds like a water bottle. And we can let's modulate the pitch of this. Yeah. And now if I make it like this, so yeah, we are done with the Harmor. Now we need to just post process this. So I will select the Harmor patch and map to a mixer, and let's use chroma. You can use any pitch map, retune, any color pitch correcting VSTs, and choose your scale, and now you'll get some color bassy sound. E some camel crusher. Let me EQ this. Now you can add some reverb or some stereoness, or you can set give some unison to this, and it will also sound nice. The stereo, you can decrease the pan and the pitch knob, and you can select. But let's just use reverb for now. And if you want, you can use some delay. Let's just use this. Uh, maybe cut some. And there you go. We have some water glitchy type sound. And if you don't want that colorful type watery sound, you can just turn up the chroma or anything, and you still have this. Sick.